our 36-inch Mongolian barbecue. Coming to the top, we have a radius of 36 inches for the cooktop. And the thickness of the plate, we have 2.5 inches. Height on legs, this Mongolian barbecue will stand at 36 inches. Coming to the bottom, we have the NSF certification along with the TU information. Coming to the front and back are the gas valves. Below the cooktop are slots located on the front and back where axes and debris can be scraped off and fall into those slots. This Mongolian barbecue is all around stainless steel with the exception of the cooktop being cast iron. Please call us for more information regarding placing an order for this Mongolian barbecue so we can assist. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.